guys, thanks for checking out this brand new guitar tutorial. This is a really simple, quick tutorial on how you play Justin Bieber's What Do You Mean on the acoustic guitar. First of all, capo across the first fret of the neck, 4 chords you need to know. We've got C major, G major, E minor, and a D major. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Got loads of videos coming out very soon, and I've got a back catalogue of videos too. Right, C major, C major chord. So C9. We need our first finger on that second fret of the 5th string. Remember, we're talking frets up from the capo. Second finger on the 6th string of the 3rd fret. And then we've got our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then our pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. That is our G major chord. And what we're going to do with that chord, for the first chord we need, we'll take our 1st and 2nd finger off, and we're going to put our 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, and we're going to strum from string number 5 down. So the first 2 chords are very simple in the same position. So we've got, and then our second chord is our G major, and then we're going to go like this. What do you mean? So, first 2 chords, C, G, and then our E minor. And we're just moving these 2 fingers off, 1st and 2nd finger. Take them off, and we're playing our E minor like this, which is our 1st finger, 2nd fret, 5th string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 4th string. Strings all played, so it's all 6 strings. So we've got, what do you mean? D major. So, D major, simply, if you don't know it, 1st finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 1st string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string. You're going to strum from string number 4 down. So we've got, what do you mean? Experiment with the strumming, go ahead. You can do some palm muting as well. So you start on the C major and you finish on the C major as well. There it is, 4 simple chords, really easy to play. Make sure you got your capo across that 1st fret to make it as beginner friendly as possible. There you go, 3-minute guitar tutorial. If you found it useful, found it interesting, found it helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button. And if you've got any questions or comments or recommendations, hit me up in the comment section below. I'll see you again for another guitar tutorial very soon.